What's the best camera for vlogging hands-free? You want to capture everything and anything so you can make sure you have the best shots for your vlog or personal video. You may want to capture the best first-person view while you're holding something or doing something with your hands, but you're busy carrying your camera. I'm not talking about a drone capturing footage of you for your vlog. Enter the Insta360 Go 3S. So while people will attach their phone or some camera to a selfie stick, it's just so 2022. Insta360 has thought of everything, especially on how to let you vlog effortlessly without holding the camera. This camera comes with a necklace with a magnetic mount, a hat clip with a magnetic mount, or the camera itself will mount to any metal because it's magnetic. Interestingly, this camera comes with a stick anywhere mount where one side is a reusable adhesive and the other side is magnetic for the camera to attach to. These mounts are ingenious. Here I'm in my hotel room in Seattle and I stuck the camera without any mount because it's magnetic right to the top of the TV that has some metal going around it, just this metal plate. And then here I'm using the necklace mount that I'm wearing, showing me getting out of bed. I have this new Insta360 Go 3S. Loving this camera. Right now, I'm filming right there, and I want to show you what it looks like, what I could do. You could just pop this anywhere that's metal, you could just attach it to because it's magnetic. So here, I'm going to film with my phone, and you'll see that this just goes boop, right there. And so if I want to get shots of me, some type of cinematic shots, looking out the window, looking at the city. I can also see what it looks like because I have this. This is where the Go 3S goes into right here to look like your typical action cam, but it pops out and then you can place it anywhere as you just saw. So here, I don't know if you can see, but I could see wirelessly. It's like a little monitor. So I could just frame my picture up right. Let's say I want to just be looking out like this. Look at the monitor. Okay, I'm ready for you. So yeah, let's get some good coffee. Good.